Welcome back, friends. Thanks a lot for tuning in once again. Donald Trump yesterday had tweeted that he would not mind waiting for a China deal until the US elections are over in 2020. Just one tweet of Donald Trump and it ended up rattling global stock markets. The Dow was down over 400 points at one point of time, only to recover nicely towards the close. Most markets, as you can see, are on a roller coaster ride. Europe is opening today into green but is very apprehensive. Anyway, to cut the long story short, there are apprehensions in any part of the world, beginning with the US China deal itself to America's condescending approval of the Hong Kong protests, which China does not seem to be enjoying at all, and going further to the uncertainties over the Brexit, the final elections in the United Kingdom, which would in many ways decide the future of the United Kingdom. In the backdrop of such global uncertainties, it is natural to see a roller coaster ride in global stock markets. They are up on days on which there is growing certainty that US China will be able to sit down together and stitch a nice deal, and the days on which these tweets from Donald Trump begin to appear, you see the markets going just southwards. Similar is the case with the Asian markets, as and how they see these various macro events playing, they react accordingly. In India, as I had rightly predicted yesterday, the markets would turn southwards around 11:45 Indian Standard Time, and that's exactly what happened. There was a pretty rough drop thereafter. Tomorrow, I think, should be a better day for global stock markets, and right from the time Europe opens, you should see a lot of green, not only in the European stock markets but also in the Asian markets, which are open for trading at that point of time. So you will see Indian markets also suddenly turn green. So just wait for Europe to open at around 12, and within an hour you will start seeing everything go into green. However, the roller coaster ride that I was just talking about in the global stock markets is a byproduct of the macro events, which are far from clear at this point of time. Donald Trump recently attended the NATO 70th anniversary event in London, and he seemed to be at crossroads with Emmanuel Macron, French president. Macron was quoted as calling NATO alliance as brain dead over just about a fortnight back, and he said that some of the best allies do not seem to be taking the alliance so seriously. Donald Trump found this to be extremely disrespectful. So it is not only in the economics but even on the political sphere. You can see that many cracks in relationships between former allies beginning to appear, and all these things are really going to go and add to the pressures and cause a good fall in the global stock markets around Christmas of 2019. So I would say that looking and weighing, taking into consideration many factors which are domestic, some global, you will find that there are cracks beginning to appear in any part of the world. Any part you can just take off, and all this is going to lead to a healthy correction in global stock markets towards the end of this year and the beginning of 2020. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.